What's up, Ammo here, and my other shipment video, I'm guessing it was too long and it wasn't that good of quality, so I'm just gonna remake it and just, show the stuff and yeah, give you like a little update of what's been going on. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so Genovo Scrawler, red, 2 Sabotage Blues, the caps for the Iron Lac, 2 Alchemist powders, one that's Violent Violet and Grimy Green, Iron Lac Black, Iron Lac Rourke Black, I hope I said that right. The stock caps, they gave me like a lot of fat caps, so that's cool. Aspen White, they gave me the free cap thing because I ordered that. Another Genovo Scrawler, yellow, 2 monster mops and a micro mop. Alright, I am such a dumbass. Yesterday, well, not yesterday, but Monday, I was trying out one of my mops, and I guess I pressed it too hard and it popped out the nib, and it's actually like the biggest mop that I have, and it spilled all over, and now it has like, you hear that? Less than half, and it spilled all over my practice board, and so I was trying to get some good drips out of it, and I guess I squeezed it too hard. I guess you're not supposed to do that, and it left my hand, like my glove, all black. And then so yeah, this is the practice board. Let's see if you can get it. Hold on, let me just take the camera out of the tripod. Right, so look, yeah, and I used Iron Lac to like buff the test, and it came out like really ugly, as you can see here. So a lot of ink. Yep, a lot of ink, and I am such a dumbass, but I finally learned. Right then, peace out. Hit me up for your sticker trades or whatever. Hit me up with anything. Check out streetsmart.net. Greatest website. Well, they barely started, but still a great website. Later.